નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, તમારું સ્વાગત છે અમારી ચેનલમાં. આજે આપણે જોઈશું સાયન્ટિફિક ઓફિસર કેમિસ્ટ્રી ગ્રુપ ક્લાસ 2 ની એક્ઝામના પેપરનું સોલ્યુશન. તો સૌથી પહેલું છે with barbiturate and benzodiazepine abuse and dependency sedative intoxication is generally associated with. તો આની અંદર આવશે 3 આન્સર all of the above. Which of the following is derived from hemp plant cannabis sativa? તેમાં આવશે marijuana. A synthetic form of opium was developed by Germany during World War II. This is known as methadone. The long-term user of cocaine may well develop symptoms of other psychological disorders such as. આમાં પણ 3 આવશે all of the above. What is the complementary strand of DNA for strand CTA, CC, AG, TC? એમાં કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી એટલે એની અપોઝિટ વાળો આવશે. આન્સર આવશે સી. ત્યારબાદ છે LSD એટલે કે લાઇસર્જિક એસિડ ડાઇથાઇલમાઇડ start to take effect around 30 to 90 minutes after taking it and physical effect include. તો એમાં આવશે rise blood pressure, increase heart rate and blood pressure and sleeplessness, all of the above. ત્યારબાદ છે by neuron activation analysis. Answer આવશે B. An element can be identified with its concentration in the sample. એટલે ટેસ્ટ છે neuron activation analysis. ત્યારબાદ છે which of the following is an important factor in substance abuse? એની અંદર આવશે ઓપ્શન A. Whether the substance are regularly used by other family members. ત્યારબાદ ક્વેશ્ચન આવે છે the alcohol intoxicated individual has less cognitive capacity available to process all ongoing information, and so alcohol act to narrow attention and means that the drinker processes fewer cues and less well. This is known as alcohol myopia. Then which of the following statement is true? તો એમાં આવશે a flammable liquid produce sufficient vapor to support combustion lower than 37.8 degrees Celsius. ત્યારબાદ છે આગળ સવાલ a drug that induce alteration in perception and mood without either arousing and inhibiting brain activity. It is known as hallucinogens. Which of the following toxin comes from the castor oil plant? It is ricin. Which of the following is an example of substance use disorder? તો એમાં આવશે all of the above. Which of the following is not hallucinogenic? Antibiotic is not hallucinogenic. Which gelatin, which is nitrogenous organic protein, is obtained by hydrolysis of collagen? ત્યારબાદ આવે છે which of the following sugar is sweetest? તો આ ઓપ્શન માંથી આપણે સિલેક્ટ કરીશું fructose. Gunpowder, which is an explosive, comprises of charcoal, sulfur and એમાં આવશે બીજું salt bitter. All enzymes are made up of protein. Wood charcoal is used to decolorization of sugar because it blank colored substance. એમાં આવશે adsorb. ત્યારબાદ 20 નંબરનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે epoxy resin. Epoxy resin is a good adhesive. આપણે બરાબર 25 સુધી જોઈશું આ વખતે. Sulfur addition in a soap is done to cure pimple and dandruff. એટલા માટે સલ્ફર સોપની અંદર એડ કરાય છે. નિયોપ્રીન is a trade name of polychloroprene. અને ત્યારબાદ આવે છે a study of relationship between organism and their environment is known as ecology. The size exclusion chromatography of a mixture of molecule, which one will elute first. The largest molecule is elute first. Two amino acid of strand 20 amino acid contain sulfur S atom. They are methionine and cysteine. The SI unit of radioactivity is called as becquerel. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 radioactive disintegration per second. In a nuclear process, the quantity conserved is mass plus energy. Then 128. Phenomena of radioactive activity was discovered by Henry Becquerel in a year of 1896. Nucleon number consists of number of proton and number of neutron. ત્યારબાદ છે gamma radiation is emitted in order to release excess energy from atom. Mass of alpha particle is 1000 times mass of electron. Half-life of radioactive carbon in human remain 5600 years. In experiment for iodine value determination of unsaturated fat, which of the below reagents are essential? ICl and Ki. The scientists who won two Nobel Prizes and also discovered two new elements is Marie Curie. 135. The natural source of radiation which most people are exposed to: X-ray. Dynamite, invented by Alfred Nobel in 1866, is an explosive consist of nitroglycerin mixed with inert clay. Tritonal is explosive used in several types of ordnance. It consists of 80% TNT and 20% aluminum powder. Mercury fulminate is used in firearm ammunition as detonator. The empty cartridge case is ejected from the weapon after firing in pistol. A refined firearm would of entry appear as hole. The firearm injury blackish discoloration around the entry of wound is due to smoke. Which is correct order of increasing wave number of sketching vibration of alkane, alcohol and ketone? તેમાં આવશે કીટોનનું સૌથી લેસ વાઇબ્રેશન, ત્યારબાદ આવશે આલ્કેનનું અને સૌથી વધારે આવશે આલ્કોહોલ. Proton 1 NMR spectra of nitroglycerin will show one doublet and one quintet peak. Pascal's triangle is applied in which spectral analysis is NMR. Absorption of radiation in the UV range attributed to N2 pi star electronic transition is characteristic of which of the following type of compound? Unsaturated carbonyl compound. C13 NMR spectra of Buckminster fullerene will show how many peak? Only one peak. કેમ કે બધા કાર્બન સેમ હશે. 147. Which of the below compounds show molecular ion peak? Mass to charge ratio 58. One of the IR stretching peak 1650 centimeter. Inverse, only one singlet peak in proton NMR. તો એમાં આવશે acetone, option B. Which of the following statement about mass spectroscopy CH3Br is correct? The last two peaks are almost equal intensity and mass to charge ratio of 94 to 96. 49 number. The correct order of basic features of mass spectrometer is આયોનાઇઝેશન, એક્સલરેશન, ડિફ્લેક્શન, ડિટેક્શન. અને લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન 150. Sephardex is a cross-linked dextran and used for which type of chromatographic separation? એમાં આવશે સાઇઝ એક્સક્લુઝન ક્રોમેટોગ્રાફી. બાકીના ક્વેશ્ચન બીજા પાર્ટમાં જોઈશું. જો તમે ચેનલ ઉપર નવા હોય તો સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેજો અને આ રીતે સાયન્ટિફિક ઓફિસર અને બીજી એન્ટ્રન્સ એક્ઝામની ટેસ્ટ પેપર માટે તમને નવા નવા વિડીયો મળતા રહેશે. થેન્ક યુ.